Hi, my name is Kendra Olson. I was a political journalism major who graduated with the class of 2017 from Patrick Henry College, and now I work for Fox News Channel. The journalism ethics and media law courses for Patrick Henry College's journalism program uniquely equipped me to face the challenges and make decisions that I'm having to make every single day for my job. Another aspect of the program is that it gives students a space to be creative and think outside of the box while still receiving guidance from the journalism faculty. Every day for my job, I'm writing, I'm communicating verbally, I'm presenting, I'm having to pitch stories, I'm having to work collaboratively with my team, I'm also editing their copy and their scripts. And all of these things I had to do at school with my fellow journalism students, with my professors. We walked through how to think through the story, which angles do you take, how to remain honest with your viewer or your reader about the story that you're telling. Did you get it right? Did you tell every side of it? All of these things I am doing every single day. My favorite parts of the journalism program at Patrick Henry College are the faculty. The journalism staff are incredible. They invest so much in the students. They work through issues with them. They work through stories with them. They help you to get to that next level. And they're not afraid to point out parts of your article that may or may not be up to snuff in their eyes, but that's the real world and that's what makes you better. So I really appreciated the faculty. But I also have to say the journalism program at Patrick Henry College has a very unique aspect to it that I think is different than a lot of colleges, and that is it teaches you to be a journalist that sees the world through God's eyes. And it doesn't matter if you're working for a Christian organization or you're going to a secular newsroom. No matter what happens, you need to be rooted and grounded in love. And that's not going to happen without Christ. So seeing the world through the lens of Christ and a God who loves the world has hugely impacted the way that I tell people stories. Something that I would have loved to be told as an aspiring journalist or someone who is considering a journalism program at a college is always be willing to think outside of the box. Believe that with God all things are possible, and remember that the story is never about you. Right? The honor of being a journalist is that you're telling someone else's story. And I think when you get over yourself and you see past your own experiences, that's when the world is opened up to you. And that's where your mission lies, or in the lives and the hearts of other people. I think of the verse, ask and it shall be given to you, seek and you will find, knock and the door will be open to you. This is literally journalism at its finest. If you have a lead, chase it. If there's a story, tell it. And if you have a heart, share it. God is going to work mightily through you. We need Christians in this field. With God, all things are possible.